No, you need the good advice. Never marry a railroad man. He loves you every now and then. His heart is at his new train. No, 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 don't fall in love with a railroad man. If you do, forget me if you can. You better off without him. Have you ever been restless in your bed and so lonely that your eyes became wet? Let me tell you the one thing. Oh, 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 oh. No, no, no. Never marry a railroad man. He loves you every now and then. His heart is at its new train. No, 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 don't fall in love with a railroad man. If you do, forget me if you can. You're better off without him. No, 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 no.